Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to speed up or slow down a clip, also known as slow motion or just fast-paced video. So in this timeline here, I have a clip of me saving a ball, so I want it to be slow, and then I cut it here when I hit the ball. So what you want to do is pick and border your clip in red, and after that you're going to go over to properties over here, and there will be something called speed. So what you want to do is just highlight all of it and hit backspace, and if we wanted to speed it up, we would put in input such as 5, which means 5 times faster than the original. But in this particular circumstance, I want to slow down the video, so we're going to put something that is between 0 and 1. So for this, I think I'd like something like 0.5, and after that you can just click off of it and it will automatically increase. So let's just watch it, and we can see that obviously it's slower than the original clip. Now when I actually slowed it down, it ate up my other clip, which is something Shotcut hasn't fixed yet. So we can actually undo this real quick, get our clip, create a new video track, put this clip up here so it doesn't get chewed up. We can go back here, redo it, hit enter here, extend it, and then add our final clip onto it. So it should look something like this. As you can see, it sped up as soon as I cut the clip, and it just looks phenomenal. It's a great transition, great for montages, especially gaming ones, and I really use this a lot. So if this helped you out, guys, I want you to leave a like. If you have any other suggestions for videos, it'd be really helpful if you guys commented them below, and if you want to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe.